channel. I'm Astrid, so today I will unbox this Lego Friends! Do you remember guys about the toy shopping in Toy Kingdom? This is where. So guys, I haven't seen the Lego Friends because this is my first one. Look at the pieces up here guys. Me and my dad bought this at Toy Kingdom! Okay, now let's unbox. But first, before I unbox, look at the box. It's so cool. It's purple. And guys, I forgot to tell you the names of the Lego Friends is all the characters is Stephanie, Andrea, Emma, and Mia. Olivia and Mia, of course. And guys, the characters over here is Mia and Olivia. Okay, now let's unbox. The tape here. Ah! Oh no. I'm gonna do Why tape? Why? Okay, I'm gonna just do this. This looks easy. I have tape look. Nah. It's so sticky. By the way guys, have you seen my vlog with my dad? I already said that. We bought this at Toy Kingdom, so that's why we're doing this. Okay, now let's open. Ooh, okay. Ooh, number 2 bag. Guys, this is the Lego Friends. I haven't seen any pieces like this before. Oh, look at the lid. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, cool. Oh, look at the stickers. It's so cool. See, guys? And guys, the bag has a number. Wow, I think this bag is number 1. See? Okay. Oh, there's another piece. Oh, it's a big piece. Okay. Now let's put it here. So guys, now let's open first bag number 1. But first, let's do the instructions. I can't open. So guys, this is the instructions. This is the base. It's color green. This is the baseboard. It is Lego over the this. So let's open the instructions first. Okay. Okay, this is hard. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, what is this part? I don't know. Stickers. Okay. This is the stickers. This is, for the tent. And this is the manual. The instructions. Ooh, it's a book. So cool. Ooh, okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Now let's do the opening for bag number 1. See? Guys. Now let's open. Okay, where is it here? Okay. I like, guys, this box. Okay. Oh, there's another piece. Oh, it's a small part. Let's separate it here first. The body, Mia's hair. Oh, the squirrel. That's so cute. Okay, their face is over here. I think I found a little squirrel. Oh, so guys, I found Olivia's hair, and let's just find their faces. I will separate first all of the pieces, so it's easy. There and there. Now let's do. So guys, I found Mia's head. It's in here. Olivia's head and their body. Okay, now let's go for the manual. Okay, number 1. Where is the number 1? Okay, number 1 is the bike. We need this and the 2 wheels. I don't know. Oh, we do it. Are you ready to build, guys? Let's build! are done with the first bag. The first what I built is this one, the bike. So guys, the second is this one, the campfire. And guys, the third one is this one. I don't know, but still. Now let's turn it around first, the bike. And next, guys, is the campsite. Olivia's there. So, she don't mind when we just like that. Turn it around. Let's turn it around. Well, they don't mind us turn it around, you know. Okay, this is the telescope. This is the fire. This is the chairs for them to. So guys, this is the little squirrel. It's so cute. This is the speaker. This is the lantern. This is the basket. This is the carpet. This is the glass. Because holding hers with the cherry. Because she loves cherries. The chairs again. This round now and this part. I don't know. So this one. Okay, now let's get on to bag number 2. Now let's get on to bag number 2. Let's go. Bag number 2. First, let's open. Ooh, pieces. Oh, there's another bag, just like before. The lights, the brush. So guys, I'm gonna arrange first all of these pieces. Gray with the gray, black with the black, white with the white, peach with the peach, and pink with the pink, green with the green, blue with the blue, and pink is over here. Ah, why there? Is that here? Orange with the orange. Okay, we're almost done. White dude with the white. By the way, Lego is very challenging because I love challenging things like that. I love Lego. You know why, guys, I love Lego? Because it's so challenging. Okay, I'm done removing all the pieces, so let's get it building. Oh, I forgot this piece. It's big. By the way, guys, are you ready to build bag number 2? Yeah! Are you ready for the Nurse Help? Yeah! Go! go. I'm gonna add some final touches. You say, what? Look at the lights, it's so cool. And the marshmallows, here's this. I didn't know this was sick over here. So I'm gonna put it over here. Yo, yo, yo. And these four, I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna add a little more finishing touches. Oh. And guys, this is the tent, the bike, the helmet, the Lego friends, and the marshmallow, the campsite, the telescope, the tree with this little squirrel, the flower, the speaker, the stuff, the other stuff, the cherry with drink, the fire, there's another fire there with lights, other chairs, and the seat. Carpet. So here it is. I'm done! Building Lego is fun. You can just check it in the manual and even other stuff. Even when you see this block with the Lego logo, that's Lego friends. Hey YouTube! Thanks for watching! Okay, bye-bye! If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new videos. Did you see it? My channel. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you did, smash that like button and I will see you next time. Goodbye!